name is Odhiambo.
Yeah.
And I'm a creative. I work in the creative sector, and I've been interacting with the cultural council of the Iran embassy during the Nowruz festival, and since then I've really interacted with them because there's a lot of knowledge that is being shared within the cultural council.
Oh, okay. I've seen you were emceeing this whole event. You are among the organizers. So what really gave you that push to organize this kind of forum?
I feel there is the platform that engages people to talk about issues is not really available, and this opportunity has given people a chance to learn, to grow, and to share all their activities, and also to share their experiences about issues that affect the family and also the woman.
Okay, so
family.
What's the impact of this forum as of you?
The impact that I feel myself is that a lot of knowledge that has been shared, the eye-opening facts that I've seen, and I've learned a lot about statistics. I've learned a lot about Iran and what technology the women are working on, and the impact that women are having in the whole family network.
So you as a woman and the whole thing of organizing, do you feel that you are reaching out, that the women are being turning up and the message is reaching them? Do you feel like that is being attained?
Yes, information is education, and I think once you educate people, their mindset starts changing, and I think that is a positive step towards growth and also towards understanding. And I believe something like human rights that are being broken, if you're aware about what your human rights are, then you can be able to say no when you get that your human rights are broken. So these are some of the eye-opening issues that I think we have learned today.
Are there any further initiative and forums that you're planning to put in regards to the women?
Being that today is the first one, and the impact that we are feeling, and I've had a lot of conversations with the participants, they all are asking when is the next one. So definitely yes, we're going to have some other forums whereby we can talk and discuss and share our experiences.
In the forum, someone talked about you guys neglecting the boy child. Do you feel that you are like neglecting the boy child, you as an organizer?
I feel so, but I feel that the men have to rise up and also stand for themselves. I feel they have left the women to rise up, but I challenge the men to also step up and really fight for their rights as well. But again, it's equality. When we talk about gender, we are talking about the male and the female. So we are talking about both, and all need to rise up step in step so that nobody is left behind.
Okay, maybe your closing remarks, your advice for that young girl, young woman, a youth who's watching you right from home. What's your advice in regards to the rights and the human rights of the youth and the women at large?
Know your rights. Once you know your rights, then that's the next step to growing. Educate yourself about what's happening. There's a lot of information there. Even here in the embassy here, we have a library. We have people who can ask you questions. So come in, ask questions. There is a lot of knowledge. Dig it up. The knowledge will not come to you. You have to look for it, and it is right here.
Okay, maybe just one question I'd forgotten. Why did you choose to have this at the Cultural Embassy of the Islamic State of Iran and not the Kenyan government?
Because it's about culture, and I think when it comes to culture, we are all one. And I think the diversity in culture unites all of us. So it doesn't matter whether you're a Kenyan, an Iranian, a Muslim, or a Christian. We are all one. And I think it's towards humanity.
Okay, thank you so much.
And this is a cultural space, and everybody is welcome.